Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Automatic Room Light Control with a Raspberry Pi Pico Visitor Counter. So here we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico and two IR trans receiver pairs we are using. One is entry section and another one is exit section, and one 16 cross 2 LCD display. So we can monitor the counting data onto the LCD display. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh GPIO pin, and LEDs are connected with 14, 15, 16, and one SPDT relay, it is connected to the 14th pin. And this is my entire block diagram of the project. So here second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh LCD pins, and 10 and 11 it is connected to the IR sensors. 12 it is connected to the uh, 14, 14, 15, 16, 3 LEDs. Yeah, let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here Raspberry Pi Pico and IR transmitter pair and IR receiver pair, SPDT relay, and one AC bulb. So here we are going to display on the counting data. So now I am removing the power supply. So visitor count, bidirectional visitor counter with multiple bulbs on and off. We are using 3 LEDs, red LED, orange LED, and one, anything should be one red LED on. 10th one, 0 to 9 red LED, 10 to 19, 10 to 19 orange LED. So 19 to 21, 30, 20, 19 to 29 red LED, but I am going to display only 10 counts. Okay, so first of all, please entered. Okay, okay, red LED is on. Okay, counting is 1. Please entered. Okay, counting 2. Please entered. Okay, 3, counting 3. Please entered. Okay, count is 4. Oh sorry, exit. Okay, please entered. Okay, please enter, count is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. Orange LED should be on. Yeah, orange LED is on. You can connect another bulb also. Okay, 10. Now it goes to exit. Okay, count is 9. So orange LED is off. Same to same, green LED also. 10 to 19, 19 to 29. Please exit. Okay, 8. Please exit. Okay, please exit. Okay, count is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now it goes to 0. Bulb, red bulb should be off, LED and bulb. Yeah, so Raspberry Pi Pico, so IR transmitter and IR receiver, and bulb LED, power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico, LCD display, bulb. Okay, exit. If it is 0, 2 should be off. And this is my block diagram module, and this is my hardware unit.